Should I worry about call risk when investing? Imagine buying a bond expecting steady income for 10 years, only to find it was called after 3. That sudden change can catch investors off guard. Call risk is when the bond issuer has the right to redeem the bond before its scheduled maturity date. This usually happens when interest rates drop and the issuer wants to refinance at a lower cost. If you depend on regular interest payments for passive income, this can be a problem. When a bond is called early, you stop receiving the higher coupon payments you expected. For example, if you bought a bond with an 8% coupon rate expecting 10 years of payments, but it gets called after 3 years, you lose out on the remaining 7 years of income. Reinvestment risk also comes into play. When your bond is called, you get your principal back but must reinvest it at the current lower interest rates. This often means earning less income than before. For investors relying on bonds for steady cash flow, a called bond can cause income gaps and force them to find new investments, often at less favorable rates. Callable bonds usually offer higher initial interest rates than non-callable bonds to compensate for this risk. Still, if rates fall and bonds get called, your total return might be less than you expected. To manage this, look at the yield to call, which shows the return if the bond is called at the earliest date. Comparing it with the yield to maturity helps you understand possible outcomes. Consider choosing non-callable bonds, which cannot be redeemed early, giving you more predictable income. Diversifying your bond holdings across different types and maturities can also reduce the impact of call risk. Some callable bonds specify a call price, often above face value, which can offer some compensation if called early. In the end, being aware of call risk helps you make smarter decisions. While it can reduce your income and disrupt your passive income plans, careful selection and diversification can keep your fixed income investments steady and reliable.